Hi friends, welcome to Testing Today's Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about OOPS concept in Python. What exactly OOPS concept in Python? Okay, basically a Python is a multi-branding programming language. It supports a different programming approach comparing to other programming languages. Means it will support for different format. Means what you are seen in the previous for Java, C Sharp, it is completely a different format. It's a similar way of thinking, and but it is doing for work as a different format. And here we know that object has to be created for any particular class, and then we can able to take that values to that or something method variable or something we can able to capture it. Correct. Anything we need to work means there is a object is required for the concept. Correct. Everything like one class is there, in that class something you want to access then must be created for some object. That is a way we can able to achieve for some actions. The object has to be created. There are two ways. One is attribute level attribute, and another one is behavior. Okay, these are two ways we need to check. Nothing but attributes is nothing but a name of the person or age, and we can able to say like color. Okay, and behavior we can able to say singing what he is doing, dancing. These are two ways we can able to do. Attributes is nothing but we can able to specify some particular person. You can say example. You can able to take something different also. When you taking the attribute time, when the person is there, then you can able to specify the name, age, color. Even you can take the animal, what it you can do. That also you can able to take it. Something you can able to which one you can able to specify two different ways of thinking. Then you can able to provide. Okay, behavior is nothing but we are going to say that the person is he can able to sing, he can able to dance. Like that we can able to specify. That is called as a behavior. Okay, all the places we can able to create one class. Okay, this is a class base, and class is nothing but it is in a blueprint of for that object. What are the things we are creating? Everything for blueprint for that object only. Correct? How we can able to achieve this simple one? The class. We can able to take some simple example. Class. Uh, I'm going to give first. Okay. Now this is your class, and you can able to specify colon. See, in you taking for Java, C Sharp or something a different programming approaches, we can able to create by default. You can take this first as Java. Whenever you're doing for, you can able to say like a class, a name, and again we are going to do for open brace and close brace, and again we are using for static, void, string args, main we can able to main. Then we are going to use for string args, correct? And then again curly brace. This way we are using. Inside that main we are using to call some object creation for name, and name equal to name. We are creating for class name object equal to new name. This is the format we are using to creating for our class on Java. Even similar way of your creation for C sharp also. Correct. Now it's a easy format to create for class on Python. It's a small letter only class, and you can able to specify anything like ABC, and you can able to use colon. Colon is the one to ending statement for that particular class, and you can able to down. Okay, and here you can able to use for pass. Okay, now in this situation we can able to do it for easy formatting like creation of object. The object is an instead of initialization of a class. When the class defined only for description for that object is defined, no memory or storage in a attribute. We know already like other programming. In case if you already seen my previous video of Java and C sharp classes, then it is a like you can able to say like whenever you created a class in this class without before creating the object of the class, what will happen inside the class you can able to create a variables a methods, correct? Each method accessing also we can able to like whenever you create the class, inside the class you create a for variables and functions, it will not take any space on your system. Okay, until you creating the object. Once you create the object, then it will create for some space. If you are remove that object creation and all, then it will not create for any spaces. Now object creation, how we can able to do it here means you can able to specify anything like a equal to abc, and you can able to open brace and close this. This is a simple format creation of object. Okay, and in Java you are using for class name and new like class name object then equal to and you are specifying some object creation, correct? But here is a different format because it will by default it will take it, and new creation and all we are using is not required. Directly we can able to create object equal to class name, then it will we can able to access for variables methods and functions. Function and method is both are similar way, but it is similar format of thinking. Okay, but it is not a different format. What exactly methods means? A methods are functions defined inside the body of a class. They are used to define the behavior of object. How we can able to do it means now we can able to go it here define a thing I'm going to use. Okay, and we need to use for self. It is by default it will create for self and colon. Then we can able to use for print. Inside the print we can able to define user is singer. Okay, this is simple format of creation of a method or function. Okay, how we can able to call and all we can able to say. So now we are done for creation of the method function as a method. Okay, this is outside of the class, correct? If you create object and we can able to we cannot access, able to use self, and it will show like that, but don't move that as in a method. If you are moving as in a method place in the top, we can't if you create object also we can't able to access. Now if we can able to see a dot sing is the one we can able to directly see, and you can able to call it. And if you want to run and see here, first you can able to see Python space a basic demo slash oops.py. See, user is able to see. If you are moving now, is in here only can able to see. Now I will create for function to a method, and I'm going to use for pass. Okay. Now it is outside is there, and it is not inside of that. See, unresolved attribute reference of string for a class ABC. Add a method in a string to class doc ABC. Able to see now it is created for method again. Here is method is there, but again it is created a method for new one to accessing those classes functions. Okay, if you remove again and you can able to print it for something singing. Okay, this is a way we can able to create for a class, function or method or creation of object of the class. Okay, and it's a simple example this one, and not much. I'm not going to in-depth of explanation of everything, because so many people so already knows that how we can able to create a clause and method and variable and object. The similar format only we are using, but it's a different format, but we can able to achieve easy. Okay, this is all about introduction for this particular oops concept. Inside the oops, we saw that class, object creation, and function creation. That is a method. And also we have what other things like a class, object, and method or function. And we have again inheritance, and we have encapsulation. Okay, then we have overloading. Overloading nothing but is a polymorphism. Okay, and also constructor. This many things we have, and we'll see for one by one. Right now we saw about class, object, method creation or function creation, and how we can able to call it and inside the class, and we saw right. Now in the later video I will tell you that on the side, like inheritance, how we can able to use. Even we are achieve, we can able to achieve multi inheritance. Multiple inheritance it is supporting for Python. Okay, and even we can able to see in the Java we have abstract class and all, right. We are not using those things, we are just using inheritance, a multi inheritance, encapsulation, overloading, that is Python. How we can able to achieve these remaining things, we'll see in the later video session. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to provide some comments on this video based upon your comments only, and we can able to create a new videos with more content. Okay, thank you for watching.